أعوذ بكلمات الله تامت من شر ما خلق. Today we are making a very simple recipe, Fante Fante. Welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back. I hope each and every one of you is doing well. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. This recipe is very simple, it's so delicious. It's mostly popular in the central region of Ghana. To start, I cut and wash my fish so well, and then I added some salt and some seasoning to it. Then I went ahead to add my green seasoning. This green seasoning is very important in this dish as it has ginger, garlic. I'm gonna leave all the ingredients down below so you don't need much of a seasoning to it. And also you can use any fish of your choice. I chose tilapia on this day. After adding everything, you make sure you mix everything to combine very well. Okay, you make sure you get all the guts and so that it will infuse the fish very well. And then we will go ahead to set it on the side to marinate for 30 minutes. If you are new here, why don't you subscribe, share and like this video? Whilst that is marinating, I went ahead to start on my stew. In a pan, I added my palm oil, I'm gonna heat it up, then I'll go ahead to add onion. Onion is so important in this recipe as it is the base for this stew, and onion had this flavor and nutritious to your meal, so you make sure you add more of that. After adding it, you want to stay until it's translucent, then we will go ahead to add our green seasoning. As I mentioned earlier, this green seasoning is very important in this dish as we just have to marinate and marry all the seasonings and the spices, so we don't need so much of any seasoning in this recipe. Fante Fante is very simple to make with simple ingredients. It's popularly paired with etil, banku, and kenke. And the way it's very simple to make and so delicious, you can even pair it with some rice. That would be so delicious as well. Whilst we fried the onion and the green seasoning for like 5 minutes, we went ahead to add our tomato mix. So with the tomato mix, we only blended with, I use fresh tomatoes with some red bell peppers, some onions, some habanero pepper, and that's about it. You make sure you add some more water so that you blend it so smoothly before adding it into the oil. Whilst this is going on, I'm gonna take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you taking the time to watch my video. I really do appreciate each and every one of you, and I'm very thankful for you. So we've been frying our stew for 10 to 15 minutes. You want it to start having some oil on top of it, not too dry. You need to have a little bit of moisture in it to be able to cook the fish. Okay, so then I went ahead to add my fishes into it. You make sure you baby this fish so that you don't break everything apart. I went ahead to add a little bit of some salt to taste and a little bit of shrimp cube, which I didn't show in this video. So after adding the fish to it, you want to put it on a medium heat and cover it to cook. So whilst you cover it, this is a simple, but it's also a very delicate as you are using a fresh fish to make this recipe. If you don't baby the fish, you're gonna have so many bones that If you don't take care, you're gonna hurt yourself, especially if your little ones are going to enjoy it. So you have to put it on a medium heat, let it do its own thing, and then yeah. So over here, I came back to check up on it. You have to check it up periodically, and for you to know when to put in your fish, you can fry it until at least 20 minutes before you go ahead to add your fish. So over here, I'm just making sure it doesn't stick to the pot, and then I'll go ahead to cover it to keep on cooking as we are trying to build a connection between the stew and the fish, and that will ensure that the stew is very flavorful and the fish will soak all the juices in the stew. If you are new here, why don't you subscribe to your girl and comment down below what you're gonna pair this stew with. I paired mine with some banku. Yeah, I've never tried etil before, so I normally pair mine with either banku or some kenke. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Over here, I was just checking to make sure the seasoning is right and everything was perfect. I went ahead to cover it up to continue with the cooking. The last thing I'll be adding to this is some more vegetables. I had onion, some red onion, yellow bell peppers, some green onions, and some green bell peppers. This had some pop of color to it, and I like the crunch that it comes with. So after adding my vegetable to it, I'm just gonna simmer it. Okay, you just have to reduce the fire to its lowest position, and then you cover everything because I wanted more crunch. But if you don't want the crunch, you can go ahead to cook it like additional 5 minutes and it will be done. And this was so flavorful, smells so good, and it was so delicious. Try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Until my next one, stay safe and be blessed. Just look at that. Look at this beauty. If you've been enjoying it till now, kindly subscribe to your girl and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I mostly upload Ghanaian recipe, some national cuisines, and some vlogs as well. Bye.